Hello, this is Conrad from Conrad's Kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some chicken and ackee. So normally I have ackee and saltfish, but today we're going to do some chicken and ackee. What we have here right now, we have two onion right here, three pieces of sweet pepper, bell pepper. Some people call it bell pepper. We have a stalk of scallion here, one green pepper, 2 cloves of garlic. What we have here is about 1 pound of chicken. It cut up, wash and clean. So we have 1 tablespoon of all-purpose here, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon pimento powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika. We have about 3 stalks of thyme that we take off the leaf, and we have a tablespoon of garlic powder here. And we might be optional, we use a bit of soy sauce if we want to. So that's optional if you want to. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to season our chicken. So first thing we're going to add, say chicken wash and clean. We're going to add our all-purpose, our black pepper, pimento powder, which is grind pimento, our paprika, our garlic powder, and our thyme leaves. What we're going to do now, we're just going to rub this in and leave to marinate for a bit. So if we rub this one in, and then we're just going to leave it to soak a bit. Then what we're going to do now, we're going to get a pot on the fire, put in some oil, and then we're going to fry this. We're going to fry this maybe a bit dry, a little bit crispy. So we're going to use it for our ackee later. Just like we did the ackee and saltfish, today we're going to do some chicken and ackee served with some white rice and vegetable. So just get back to you guys when we're ready to fry. We're going to leave this for marinate now for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to get back and start the cooking process. Yeah, welcome back. Now, as we just finished seasoning our chicken, and we make it marinate for about 20 minutes. So we have the oil on the fire. It's hot. You don't need for a pound of chicken. Depends how much oil you want to fry it. But I just have like about 2 cups of oil in there. Maybe that's a lot. So I'm gonna drain the oil after it's finished. So I could get the chicken in there in the Dutch pot here. Fry it off. After the end of this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please, and just give me your honest feedback with what you think about this dish and how you think it goes, and if you try it, how was it. So we're going to serve it up, as I say, with some vegetable, maybe a bit of steamed vegetable. You can serve it up with fresh vegetable if you want. I might love the steamed vegetable today with some fried plantain and a piece of avocado, and we're going to serve it up with a drink as well. A sorrel drink, sorrel and ginger. That's our own made drink as well. So look, we get all of it in there. We can get everything in there. So we're going to fry this chicken a bit dry today to cook up with our ackee. So we're doing ackee and chicken. You know, ackee famously known to serve with maybe food, roast breadfruit and ackee and saltfish. We're not dealing with the saltfish today. We just deal with chicken. So ackee can cook up with all different type of things. Anything of your choice you want to cook it up with, or you even can do it without pork. Some people love ackee and pork. So we're doing some ackee and chicken today. Serve up with white rice, plantain, avocado, pear, with some steamed vegetable, and serve with a nice cool sorrel and ginger. So the chicken is in the pot frying off right now. So soon as they're done fried, so we're just frying them a bit dry today. So just fry them maybe about 15 minutes to get them dry, not too dry. So get back to you in a minute. Okay. Meanwhile, our chicken frying, we just get our seasoning ready. So we just get our seasoning ready. So we just cut our onions. It all depends on what person wants the onion or the season up. So cut up our onions now. We are washed and prepared. So, we just get our onion cut up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and give me a feedback and tell me what you like. And you can just send in a request for what you would like to see me do, because this one is a request as well from Jay. So he requested for me to do something. So I'm going ahead with it. So he made 2 requests. Yeah, I don't know if it's a he or a she, right? So Jay, who made the requests, I'm going ahead, and this is something that I like as well, Ackee. See? So this is our garlic we're going to cut them, because I'm going to put them in our pot later. Put it aside. I can't stand the cutting board. Everything already washed and prepared, as I said. And be mindful when you're at home, yeah, if you don't have a knife skill, careful. And the way I'm holding my knife, because a lot of people say, Conrad, the way you hold a knife is not that safe. But this is the way I handle my knife, and I handle it quite well. And this handle the way I hold it. So I can hold it like this as well. And work like that as well. I feel more comfortable the way I hold it before. I feel like I can work a bit more easier with it that way. But just handle your knife the way how you feel safe with it. And then we're going to get on later on the sun. Just fry with plantain. Going to serve a bit of white rice and some nice cereal drink with a couple slices of avocado pear. Okay, that's our season ready to cook with Ackee. So chicken is in the pot frying at the minute. Yes, it's coming up nicely. Yeah. We want them a bit crispy, but not too dry. Not too dry. Because we're cooking chicken and Ackee today. You know that thing are famous with chicken back? Yeah man, fry up chicken back and Ackee with some, you know, some cartwheel dumpling, and dumpling they're big enough. But my mother cooking, we know mother dumpling and my father dumpling, them different. Some of this teaching come from my mother and father, you know. Most times some people will hear them say, oh, it's my mommy teach me, but my teaching come from both parents, you know. I love them all. Yeah man. So we'll get back in a minute when we're ready to cook up. Yeah, welcome back guys. With chicken still frying, now we're gonna just prepare our plantain. Get some plantain ready up. Yeah, plantain are ripe, nice ripe plantain. See? Yep. Nice and ripe. Yep. Maybe some people don't like that plantain that ripe today. We're just gonna cut this plantain in circle bit. Okay. So the chicken now soon ready to come out. So we find the chicken a bit dry today. We're just going to cut this plantain like this today. I'm not going to cut them in different shapes. I have some oil here. It's already hot. Here we go. Turn on a bit. We don't want to plant them and fry too much, you know, on the outside of them. So inside gone this, so get rid of that one. The one that decides them come to them. We don't want the outside of our planting them get to burn and then inside not cook. Right? So we want to cook the planting right through. Okay. So we're going to fry our planting. Them now. Right? Yep. Okay. We'll soon get rid of that piece there. Okay. We're going to take out the chicken them now. Just make them rest right here. You can put your chicken them on something to drain off the excess oil where you don't want as well. So I'm just going to put them on this till we get ready. So what I do with my Ackee now, I'm going to pour some hot water on my Ackee and just put it on the stove for boil up for about a minute. I normally just kind of scald off my ackee. It's in the tin already and we know if ackee then come already cooked. But how I do my ackee and most things from the tin, I always pour a bit of hot water on it just to get off some of the residue way in the tin. It's not to everyone likings, but that's something that I do. So it's up to a person, optional if you wanted to do that or not. So just let me get out them here. Now what I will pot. See, that's the way I want the chicken them to fry. Maybe for some people this is a bit too dry, or this could have go a bit drier. But that's all I want it. So cooking up some ackee and chicken, fry up chicken. Yeah. You need no flour on this chicken. You just use it just as it is. And why I didn't put on the onion and stuff like that on the chicken, if you're going to cook it up, you don't need the onion on it. You don't need it. Because you're going to fry up everything in the next pan, cook it up. Okay, I'm going to turn off that stove now. The plantain then coming up nicely, beautiful, lovely. So we're just going to put our plantain them on something to drain. Just get back in a minute. Yes, now we're going to get our ackee inside the pot. We turn on the stove. You always keep some hot water, depends on what you're cooking. It's easier. You don't have to start the process of cooking right through. So you have the hot water there. You can add just a little bit of salt to it if you want to, because you see that water where the ackee come with, I'm going to drain it off and I'm going to rinse it off as well with some water from the pipe. So I could cut the ackee them here. We have two different ackee. We have a these Caribbean ackee and we have one river there. You can see what's coming up here with the ackee then. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So we're just going to drain these one and then we're going to just slightly rinse them off as well. That's how I do my ackee. Ackee callaloo from the tin, that's how I do it. You know when in the back home of Jamaica, I have my fresh ackee then I'm going to pick off a tree called a fruit. So you pick them off the tree. I don't know if you guys all ever seen the fruit ackee before, so we'll just rinse off this one here as well. So we'll just get a little bit of water and just rinse them off. Nice. Nice ackees. They're lovely ackee. So you just call them off. Just call it off just for about a minute or two. You can put like a salt in the water if you want. It's optional. See how we're planting them here. They're going on. I don't like my plant them fried too brown. I don't like them fried too dark. So this is what we take them out as. And I'm gonna just put a piece of serviette for them to kind of suck out some excess oil. So you don't have to use so much oil in it if you don't want to. Yeah? So it's optional how much oil you want to use to fry your plantain. So if we get the plantain ready. Dinner soon ready. Yeah, dinner soon ready. Maybe some people like them plantain just like this, but just a little bit darker for me. So I'm going to take them out. Now I have them on a piece of grease paper here. And I'm going to put, just get some of these, press it, take up some of the grease from it. I didn't put it on a tissue because I don't want it to itch. So I put it on a grease paper, so we do that, whatever that's on the grease paper, remove them, and then I get them served on the plate. So we're going to wait till our ackee, okay, it's boiling up now, so we're going to get our season ready to go on the fire. Now we're going to remove our plantain from the oil, and we'll get this pan on the fire if we're ready for the ackee and chicken. So we're doing some ackee and chicken, not ackee and saltfish. Going to serve it up with some white rice, just as Jay requested, and some sorrel, and avocado pear and some vegetables. So what we're going to do, we're just going to use back some of this oil for the plantain. It's optional if you want to use it or you want to use a fresh oil. So we're just going to use some of this oil where we just use for the plantain there. We could have just use a spoon and take it out, so don't try this at home, but you just some do. So I don't need a lot of oil, I need just about that in there. Get that one off. There we go. Here we go. So I could put the plantain aside, put some tissue on it, make it go and suck the foil. So first thing first, get the pot, turn up. That's when hot. Get the correct spoon. First thing first we're gonna do, we're gonna pour the water off our ackee. Leave it to drain. So we'll pour the water, leave that to drain there. That's stay right down the drain, it's not nice. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put in our garlic. Make it go and burn in my pot. I love garlic and I like garlic. So garlic is optional if you want to use it or not. You don't have to. And you wonder why I'm not put my pepper yet. I'm going to use up my pepper. I don't like pepper, you know. It's not a thing I like, so everything already washed. 4. That's enough pepper for me. That's enough pepper. Right? I could look at pepper saying I put this out with garlic, you know. Alright, the garlic kind of get brown. So I'm going to get onto this thing now. Get the seasoning. Fry up the season. So on the ackee now, when we cook up with ackee, we're going to just use some black pepper. We're going to use coarse black pepper on the ackee. And if we need any bit of all-purpose or maybe salt, it's optional if you want that, because chicken have a lot of seasoning on it already. So we'll just fry up this right now. And then after we're done fry this up, we're going to fry up this for about 5 minutes. Stir it around for about 5 minutes. Kind of fry up a bit. And then we're going to add in our ackee. Season up with ackee with a black pepper. If you want to all-purpose, we add it to it. It's optional if you want it or not. And then we serve after. We have some rice that we cooked earlier. So we make that one fry for about 5 minutes. And then we just get back to it. Yeah, now we're going to add in our ackee. Let the ackee go. We don't want the ackee to mash up too much neither, so we have to just move away with this thing. If we throw in this one, as I said, I'm just going to add a bit of black pepper. I'm using coarse black pepper. You can use the refined one if you want to, but I'm using coarse black pepper in this one. That's enough. You just add to your likings. So, let us stir this around. Now we're going to add our chicken. So we're doing ackee and chicken. There we go. We'll fry up the chicken and then we just fry up the ackee. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to add a little bit of all-purpose to this because it feels like it needs it. Right? But this is what I'm going to be using this season. It's a savory season. So I'm going to just add to taste. Maybe that's about a teaspoon I added there. It might look like it's a lot, but that's about a teaspoon I added there. So it's just cook up nicely. So we're doing ackee and chicken today. Yep. Just make it stay there on it. About it's going to cook together for about 5 minutes maximum. Then we'll just take it out and serve. Yeah, now we're finished. That's it. Turn it off. It's optional if you want to cover your pot or not, but I would say here, don't cover it because you don't want to sweat to get back down in there. There we go. So we're going to serve it now. We're going to present it to you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Conrad's Kitchen, and give me a suggestion what we'd like to see to cook. It's have to be some quick meal. We don't want to do anything that we're going to spend the whole day and do. But just tell me what you would like to see me cook next, and then we'll see if we can do it. But hopefully we can. Thank you very much. So we're going to serve it, and then we'll come back to you with the presentation and see how it look, and you just give me your score on that. Getting back to you in a minute. Yeah, as I said, dish has been completed. So it's a reminder, do not cover the pot when you're gonna cook this dish. So we're complete now, and we're just getting ready to put it on the plate. So we're gonna present the thing, yeah, with a nice sorrel and ginger juice. So make we get back again and present this meal, yeah. Lovely chicken and ackee. No ackee and saltfish today. No dumpling today. No. Rice, we have to serve this one away. Gentlemen, ladies, there we go. Oh, just tell me how our presentation is. That's chicken and ackee served with vegetable. Jay, hope I done a dish just justice where you asked me if I could present or cook, so you could see this one. So from your request, Jay, my rice is kind of a bit wonky. So we have our ackee with chicken from Conrad's Kitchen with some vegetable, fried plantain, some tomato, and a slice of avocado pear in there. So try this one, and you say love the drink. This drink is made by us as well. This is sorrel and ginger. So tell me what you think about the presentation, and tell me what could I do best next, or what could I do improve, and what you don't understand about the menu, so we can explain it to you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is Conrad from Conrad's Kitchen. I will see you back soon with an exciting dish again. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. While you grow, I grow. Thank you. Gonna eat this now. Bye.